Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work at Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to show you something that we will be having as a grab-and-go kit for your children here at the Forestville Library in mid-October. So this is a Halloween type craft, and they are puppets. This is a monster, Herman the Monster, whatever you want to call him, and a pleasant, cute little witch. And here's another little witch. So I will have grab and go kits ready for you to go with the parts in the bags to make these crafts. All you have to do is stop in and ask for the monster or the witch. And I could explain to you how I did it, but it would be a lot of pieces for you to prepare these at home. So I'm just hoping you'll stop by and pick these up, because you would have to cut out the face and the little black piece up here, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the teeth, these little square buttons, the feet, the purple rectangle that you glue onto this paper bag. I put all of it onto a paper bag. I mean, you could do it if you wanted. That's basically how he is put together. And then the witch is a green face, little orange hair tucked underneath this nice black witch hat with a star and some yarn to decorate her. And then I had these little owl cutouts that I glued on there, but you could put any Halloween type sticker or decoration that you had at home. And again, it's on a paper bag. So that's how I made her, but quite a few parts. And the same thing goes for our other little witch here. She has a lot of parts. She has buttons here that I just made out of square, heavy, I think that was probably some sort of felt. And then I just made my own buttons, but you could use any buttons, any decoration you have. And again, a yarn decor here for the little bow tie type thing with a little decoration on her, and some orange hair, a round face that you can't see is round, but she started out with a round green face, and eyes, a nose, a mouth, hair, a hat. The hat keeps wanting to fold down, but it does come to a peak. And I put a star on her hat. And again, she's on a paper bag. So please stop by mid-October. These are Halloween type crafts, and you can pick up one of these puppets for your kids. Happy Halloween, happy crafting. Bye.